Now, internet's an interesting one. You guys know that I'm all for wired internet. So what that means in practice, if we look at this picture on the right-hand side, this is a normal cell phone tower with masts. Now, typically what happens is we put a Wi-Fi router in the house, and because the signal goes 360, the router through the Wi-Fi receives that signal and then again sends a signal to your laptop or your cell phone. Now, when we go wired, what we do is we still make use of this signal, but what I would recommend in terms of distance is at least 1 kilometer. And I'm talking rural now, because in town you'll have cell phone towers with tons of masts. Typically what you have in the rural areas, they will only have 3 masts, which is typically the minimum average because they've got 1 in each direction. Now, so what you would like in a rural area, this distance should be at least 1 kilometer. And then instead of using your Wi-Fi, you switch your router on. And what you do with your router is you switch the Wi-Fi off on the router. You lay Ethernet cables to your laptop, and you can even use it on your cell phone. And then basically you will not receive it via the tower or via Wi-Fi directly to your phones. Now, typically what we do is we put the router, because you won't believe it, the router still has radio frequency, regardless if you switch Wi-Fi off. So as I'm sitting here now, we actually have both these options, and I'll talk about the other one in a second. But because my broadband router didn't work tonight and the signal was too poor, we're using our normal router, but we put it with the Ethernet cable 50 meters away from the house. And then this router connects to the tower, and the signal goes with a cable to the house, to my laptop. That's what we're doing right now as we speak. The second option, and I actually prefer this option, is the broadband option. Then you have a dish, and there's another tower on the top of a mountain somewhere, where this line is a straight line. This is now a bowed line, but it's actually a straight line. So the line goes straight, the signal goes straight from there to there, and it's not like a cell phone tower that's got a 360 reach. And this I found really works very well. Again, you follow the approach of you've got a router in the house which is connected to this dish, and you wire it on the inside with the Ethernet cable so that you don't use Wi-Fi. What I would recommend though, because with broadband, what they do is they've got like a band within which they operate. And that band can change. And what I found is that my office initially was about, I would say, 5 meters from this dish. And that was fine. I actually never felt it. But then sometimes when the signals are being changed, I can do feel the signals. So I think it's important, if you could, don't put the dish on your roof. If you can put a pole up outside, put the dish on there, then you won't feel any of the signals inside the house. All right, and then lay your Ethernet cables.